Let's go to 100 stage for this skin, guys.
Kailangan ko ng tawag nito. Mahirap anuhin, mahirap pindutin yung mga natin. Nanonood ka ba? Nakisalpong ka? Bili ka na naman muna. Pechay na. Paano ka mag-isa na? Kaya ano ko lang itong para mag-mat.
Ha? Motosin.
Ginaganito ko.
Bumili ka na rin ng SIM.
Anak, 3 times 6
Na?
3 times 6 equals 19.
Saan?
3 times 6.
Na 6 plus 6.
12.
Plus 6.
30. Rico.
18 yun anak, 18.
Tapos sa 20.
Bakit? Pwede mo yung bag ko para makabili ka na.
No.
Bigyan mo yung isang crayola kay ate mo. Dalawang crayola ba, diba? Bigyan mo yung isa.
Tapos bukas yung lalaro ko.
Ha?
Lapis.
Bili ka ng ano na. Pechay. Ito na lang dalhin mo. Kasi bibili ka pa pala ng tatlong pechay. Mag-ulam ng pechay, anak, ha?
Ano po yun?
Pechay.
Ano yun?
Kulay. Tapos bili ka ng ano na bawang. Wala ng bawang din.
Anong sinunod?
Ikaw.
Favorite po niya.
Smarty. Meron.
Skip. Scroll. Oh! Noah, Amide, Samide.
Malamang, anak.
9 times 9 equals Mama, 3 times 7 equals 21.
We got 100 candy blossoms, 100 soul seeds. What in the world is that? We have 100 Venus flytrap, 100 lemon seeds. Oh, I've never seen this seed before. Have you guys seen this? Wait. What is this? Oh, pepper pack. What? Well, everybody, I have a confession. This is not actually the whole account. But wait. On this video, I'm going to be showing people. So let me tell you how I got all this good stuff right here. First thing I did was message Candle on Discord. I said, hello, Candle. And he said, what do you want? I'm busy. Stop the active fire. Then Ashley tried to message me, what do you want? I said, can I have some good seeds and text, please? He replied, heck no, Jinju. And I said, I'll give you my house, which I regret saying. Well, Ryder replied, he said, no need. All you need to do is give away your pet to your subscribers. So you guys part of that. You guys better like the video right now. And I said that. And look at this. We have all these things. This one. I've never seen some of these things. And we also gave us some crazy plans. Look at these raccoons. Wait. We have we got a raccoon. We got a digital bees. We got dragonflies. So this is the stuff I'm talking about that I need to give you guys. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is make our garden as beautiful as it should. And I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. But we gotta make it.
Ah, sakit!
Galit ka?
Hindi!
Candy blossom as the first one, soul fruit as the next one, Venus flytrap here, and lemon seed at the end. People actually believe that I am the owner if we do that. Okay, let's do this. Okay, candy blossom is the most famous one, so we gotta put 50 and 50. Oh, shoot. Yeah, let's go! Wait.
Nagbablog ako eh. Wala mo kasi mami.
No. This is not good. I should have not forgot about this. This is what most important part of growing your garden is the master sprinkler. Oh, I'm gonna be spending a lot of Robux on this one. I should have asked the ask for this, but you know what? My face is not even that big enough to ask. Okay, how many are we gonna get from this one? And there you go. Got that. And then we're gonna need this. If I need more, I'm just gonna come back really fast. Go to my garden. Go. Wait, where is it at? Okay, there you go. Put it here, and then put more Texas blossom. I can do it.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go. I gotta be fast and putting on the seed because it doesn't that easy. Oh, there you go. And then the other side, I gotta go fast. I gotta put a lot of Texas blossom. This is going to be the best garden you've ever seen in your life.
Papatawag niyo sa kanya, ma.
There you go. I'm gonna leave one candy blossom right here, and I'm gonna give one of you guys. Did I put it down? Oops, my bad. Then now we're gonna put the soul fruit right here. I don't even know what soul fruit looks like, so this is my first time seeing this, and this might be your first time too. This is soul fruit. A lot of them, 100 of them. There you go. Soul fruit. Okay, 100.
No.
For you guys, and then after I put all the seeds, I'm gonna use to grow all and see how good it looks like. Now let's put the Venus flytrap. Yeah, let's go Venus flytrap. Wow, now the lemon seed. This one, 100%. A lot of you guys haven't seen this. This is the super secret seed. So I'm excited to see how it looks like.
Dadaas tayo ko. Da.
We need more master sprinklers. Oh my god, so far. This is what it looks like. It's not even done yet. It's not even close yet. Oh boy, this is going to be crazy. Don't wait for There you go. I put in a lot of lemon seed. Oh. Okay. Now we have to put our pets. Hey, if we are Jandel, we gotta have the best pets in the game. So we gotta put disco. How many disco can I put? Disco, and then I'm gonna put 2 dragonflies. You can only equip. Okay. You know what? They're not gonna put. I only have 3 pets. We're gonna have to put 8 pets. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I ran out of Robux. You know what? Okay. We're gonna put whatever I can. That one, and then raccoons, 2 raccoons. Can I put one more disco beat? Oh, there you go. We got 7 of the rarest pets in the game. Now, are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready? Or I can't even believe. Wait, okay. It's over here. And let's find out what is it going to look like after it's fully grown. Okay, I got it. In 3, 2, 1.
Mama, tapos na.
Holy cow! What in the
Tumingin baka
world is this? Okay, if somebody steals from me, you get banned. I'm Jandel. You get banned. Wait, there's some crazy stuff going on. There is that crazy good lighting. Oh, world. So if you guys want some of these things, type in your username in the comment. I might show you guys, and here it is. Okay, people don't believe
Huwag din nilagay ni
Na.
going to be gentle. Of course. Okay. We just got into our first server. And who do we have here? Oh, I see right there. And right there. Oh, I love plants, boy. What's up, boy? What is he gonna say? Oh, wait. I have to say something. I'm Jandel, owner of Grow a Garden. I'm Jandel, owner of the Grow a Garden. Okay. Let's see what we can say. Let's see what we're going to say. Please blossom. You know what? I'll give you a blossom. Wait, hold on. Let me find a good one. Okay. Which one is a good one? Which one is the big one? I'll give you a big one. Okay, the biggest one I have right now is 11 kg. You can have this. Please blossom is real. Okay. There you go. No way. Yes, way. Be real. She said, I am the real Jandel. Well. It's better than Jandel. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. How about you? Okay. And you know what? For you, what in the world is the one on top right there? I need to get that. I need to get what's up there. Wait, my raccoon is up there, right? For you, I'm gonna give you a candy blossom too. 11. Here. This is 1 in 1 million. Yes. Of course. Jandel is here. There you go. Oh, screenshot. Okay, screenshot. Why you only have 20 seconds?
Ano ba yan?
Okay, you know what? That's a good point right there. Why do I only have 20 seconds? We got show photo. Okay, S. Photo first. Photo, then I need to get billions of money. Because they're gonna think I'm not an admin or an owner. All admins have low shackles. There you go. That's right. Ryder has a low shackles. Java has a low shackles. Even Kid Gaming has a low shackles. But okay, how much money will I get from all this? Wait, let me collect some and then we're gonna sell. Unlimited. We got some unlimited candy. Okay, let me get the most candy that I can get. That's for my backpack. Is cool. I'm just pressing right here.
Ayan,
And I'm
Derek.
getting a lot. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Let's see how much shekels can we get. A lemon? Yes. I got OCP. Realize I got the lemon, which nobody has a lemon. Only me.
Sarasali dyan. DC Canon 4G. Next.